Hello, in this video I want to show you a few different tips on how to set up Motorola Moto G32 for senior person. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here locate accessibility, and inside there's a few different options as I mentioned. First one, let's go through screen readers, and if you want to enable them, they will act as a text live speaker. So if you click on basically anything after enabling it like that, it will speak out the text loud. Now let's disable it and move on to the text and display. Here you can change a font size. This is very important, so you can change between a small, default, which looks like this, and largest. So depending on what you want, just adjust the size of the text. Next is the display size, and it will change how big of the icons are. So let's go for largest and go back to our home screen. And as you can see, the icons become much bigger along with text. You can also enable bold text, and this will make it more thick. Next is a color correction, and here you can enable it, but I'm not sure if this will help anyone, but you can of course try it. Next one is color inversion. It's the same thing, so I'm not sure if this will help anyone. You can try it. You can remove any animations to reduce motion sickness on your phone, and enable high contrast text. Next thing is a extra dim. So don't enable it, because this will make your phone much darker, and icons and text will become less visible. Next thing that can help is a dark dim. So I have it enabled, and if we disable it, everything becomes much lighter. I mean, the light increases, so you can also experiment with that. So enable or disable it and see if your senior person likes it. Next thing is magnification, and if you try to enable it, you can magnify onto basically anything. So use this zoom icon, and now you can zoom into your screen by tapping, I think 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, on most of the phones it works like this, but here it doesn't. So now we're zoomed in. If you want to zoom out, click on this icon, and you can also move around this magnifier like that. If you want to fully close it, then click on the loop icon right here. And that's all of the tips on how to set up this device for elderly person. But I would honestly recommend a device with a senior mode or with a simple mode. That is much better. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.